Student, so let us start chapter number 2, nutrition in animal. So we'll start with some quiz test and solve the MCQs and assess yourself. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so the first question is, largest gland in human body is A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Stomach, and D. Large intestine. Alright, time's up, and the correct answer is liver. Okay, so the liver is the largest gland in human body. Now the next question, which of the following doesn't form a part of alimentary canal? Okay, I will give you the options. A. Stomach, B. Buccal cavity or mouth, C. Heart, and D. Large intestine. Alright, so the correct answer is heart. Because except the heart, all of them are the part of alimentary canal. Now the third question is, complete digestion of food takes place in which part of alimentary canal? A. Small intestine, B. Stomach, C. Large intestine, and D. Rectum. So the correct answer is small intestine. Small intestine में जाकर food की complete digestion हो जाती है. Okay. Next question is, after the process of digestion is completed, carbohydrates get converted into, okay, I'm giving you the options: amino acids, simple sugars, fatty acids, cholesterol. Think carefully. Alright, so the correct answer is simple sugars. After digestion, carbohydrate get converted into simple sugar, protein converted into amino acid, and fat converted into fatty acid and cholesterol. Now the question number 5 is, what is the mode of eating of mosquito? A. Sucking, B. Scraping, C. Swallowing, D. Siphoning. Quite easy. Alright, so the correct answer is sucking. Okay, so the mode of eating of mosquito is sucking. So they suck the blood. Question number 6. Bile juice is produced by which part of the body? A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Gallbladder, and D. Stomach. So your time starts now. Okay, so the correct answer is liver. So the bile juice produced in liver. Question number 7. Process by which the waste undigested food get out of the body through the anus is called as. किस प्रोसेस से हमारी बॉडी का वेस्ट और अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड हमारी बॉडी से बाहर आता है? व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट प्रोसेस? A. Ingestion, B. Egestion, C. Digestion, and D. Assimilation. Your time starts now. Okay, the correct answer is egestion. So egestion is the process through which the waste material get out of our body. Now the next question, absorption of food takes place in which part of our body? A. Rectum, B. Stomach, C. Small intestine, and D. Large intestine. Alright, so the correct answer is small intestine. फूड की absorption small intestine में होती है. Okay, now the next question. Bile juice play an important role in digestion of food. Which component of food? A. Vitamins and minerals, B. Carbohydrates, C. Proteins, and D. Fats. So the correct answer is fats. Bile juice fats की digestion में